again it's a party no right from the top they by the flag bearer the national executives and penny can be a woman NPP mu again I nim ya ne wo ma fi ase ka say grant radio interviews again it's a party here.
Thank you Friday Meme day say kwesi day as that Thanksgiving
yeah
but ora kan Agyapong ko bia na
wan ko bi
men hu no kra men hu no President Akufo winning primaries when ma dia oye that ade chi
but me ba o honorable Kennedy Agyapong so a Thanksgiving service
Debbie
on before the election. I've seen a video honorable Kennedy honorable Natoshi
before the elections.
Okay, no before.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
President Akufo call primaries wiye. One of no musia kind of ye gidi ano amache no 9 if not ufie kwan no. Ube bien President Akufo na ti ho no. Ura bra. Me no ko say ni no atoto 1 2 Adia bechi no nsia no ono ayeden aka na asem wawie wa bring you on board Mr. Biso me de na me hwehwe no me hunu se nipa ni nyina kɔ owura Bawumia ho ekokochia no ewofie ebia na bibia sia minim na se ensi yede a yenhwe ne yie owura Bawumia kom ho ofie ana. That was what I was expecting. Kwabena Agyapong wa na Bawumia pi honum.
Yes.
No ni na kwa kodi omo nkomo bibia. Na afi Kwabena e badia na ehunu say. Because the leader na say we show say oh ba besom. All that I'm saying mini factual e say wakọ and I won ko. But the mimi susu ni say happen no. And then the social media and say e see as some me nyina ehunu say Bawumia kra akofia akonye say.
Yeah.
It is good for the image. Na afi won na wo do Emma Kwabena Agyapong wona odo Emma Dr. Duchu momo odo Emma wona otete sa no wote ho a ohwa na afi na koma eden ato ne yam na mo menye statement bi te say omo contesting nyina no sa na mate say yewura amebu ne yie pa chairman sabu nso akoka say wona o contesting election nyina no ye pe running mates omo ye out.
Oh,
that's what I've heard. So omo ko pay ni nyina the running mates the omo nka ho Obia ni say me dem take bibi kra from President Akufo asem o kan o say running mate u yi ahwe ni yi emfa obia ono so pe president na di ni ne say Akufo say nipa na ye constitution nti no obe press obe bomb pa say obekọ u ya wa be than the president President Akufo afutu o the mind no. So to me I don't have any problem, but you see we have followers. If say Brian a champo ye nyina nim say last time na ope running mate we nya wako contest wa perform say o wa chitafo eduka say yi Brian say running mate and teacher for money nya na o mani beje it is our can be say dia na e ma teacher chitafo no o mu so nwi
yeah
there Sammy Oku be kai last week I think I mentioned it here. Sammy Oku make some statement on so na nya papa say we na me yehunu nioma yi pa enkente sa enga Dr. Bawumia wini last election na enko be appointing crofobia afa ni ehu omusuban. Honorable Member of Parliament, why do you make such loose statement? What are you telling the followers of the others? I didn't know being from the base. So it means that me tia nyina no Sabe my buying eba power ye nimme from what Sammy Oku is saying. And Sammy Oku is no on your small person.
No.
Dr. Bawumia. A company mu. Oh ye huge pa enya sem ketwa. It is all kasem we chira mia. And the person say can bet na menka dey.
You grab it me a redeem meaning say maybe this could be the position of the flag bearer no.
That is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because if you should come out and say such a thing now, it's not bisa ye roti bozo asem na eye mede ubisa say the omo ye honorable Agyapong efo so na was when bisa this question na me na nyi ano a any reasonable person be an as so fan say e honorable Agyapong na yes why because otibontu Kennedy Agyapong sure nipa otiem e otibontu it is a wo obeka sa asem we e de kire yen say eye pass ye win election ba ko no nka Bawumia be ma appointment bi na nen wo hunu nipa suban dia na de opeso ka kire ne say some of us who work for Kennedy Agyapong we have no place
in the party
it is okay we dey na some nso for me base na makontokwa na ma hye say me president and I'm a preferred candidate no ebetia ba be president
after the election me personally me pe honorable Kennedy Agyapong the post train after abatuo no I think the only statement to make here a train masokakra when he had this interview with me of KSM na or kase he will not allow himself to be used again by the party ni there also your NPP through and through but another man who kwama party no Owusu no I was taken aback what is he supposed to mean because say the party ni there then you give your all to the political party in all aspects in this okay say afei watu hufo wesu nyansa umma ho kwama party ni Owusu bi mu a maso kakra
Sani interview I think it was after these elections no she he was dressed in some green it was after the 2020 is it 2023 primaries not just this primaries
okay yes okay
but something na menena nante na minim say ono no Kennedy Agyapong asem bi obeka bia he means it if he doesn't mean it then he won't say it opa ko body old videos oba Ghana foforo 96 ni mu ni ade ni na tie nsem Kennedy Agyapong e do no kan ne Sam no can say on my party news ni bi on menene ya adwene 100% anya so on your party adwuma wo hwe o can say charging with treason above e dey ntia sabe na ye sika bi a wako wi ana bibi odi gu ni botuma na party ni huntia NDC for bo abuginapo ene esla Owusu ewo so do so omko campaign ene ye bo omo no making statement in defense of NPP. And you bet you no. I know a giant, I don't see no giant, of course. So, when I saw Woyomi, Woyomi, Gagan to a one chenny, Eka, man, this co-position, and a Kennedy Agyapong. And to Kwabena Kennedy Agyapong, Adia, Anas, Aremeyaw Anas, at the year NPP abang, especially Kennedy Akufo Addo. Anyami ni free mu why na sorry kutia saade no anya Kennedy Agyapong na Anas be investigating ana but ni na ko wie na ono be petumi edi no you say the 10 sins of Kennedy Agyapong si yenku for Kennedy Agyapong si yenyese Kennedy Agyapong si yenyese hwe omukro ni omukon ekwe ma ni omukon ni ade no efie so asne god ne kon sabe na efie so no gina himfa no nya NDC efie so gina NDC a obo NDC ho bra efie so ge etene ba NPP ebra free education ba ya ohunu se ne ba akobi no se na na do ya ade eno so se me bona ba so ho so wo ba bi no ahunu se bibia e senti etu ba unu se bibia oye bia no oye de ma party ne kodru ba bi mpempen so ono so pe position no ave party na kire se onsem fata onye presidential material dia adenti no okoso committee in court bibia obi kra be fan say treasonable matter enti no unu se treason kra so nka ya didn't question kra bill kra nka no se ngonya bio but it was the powerful argument made by Honorable Attachia and a judge na pushing ma or granting a bail impo. Eti papa na ye we nyina ma party no na ba do this point wakwa election we lose wakwa bion ye nyina no ye nipa wo nipa bia no ote yawo e wonimu eti bia kwa ye hunu hawa ye be together
all right
ye nyina ya boa
all right
na so mesre adwobrɛ base ye roti bonsu no nyina no mesre because I know see ye me se minima na minim numbers are go from data. I know. It's something that I know for a fact. And so Honorable Kennedy Agyapong 275 constituencies, 76. The bases everywhere. And that's one effect Kesiana Ebeha NPP.
Yeah.
It's Yebesre. Ajobro Nampenny and Sorentem. Medasije.
Meso Bedase, Lawyer KK Sebe. a leading member of the Kennedy Agyapong campaign. If I talk about the more penny, no, Nuntina, as a magic break a cry, one hono. Okay, my men called United Party, nothing we are, maybe well, the ruling. The ruling party. Richard?
Yes, sir. Yo, Misu Mefa Akwenya Wesu Namachia, my brother, Namachia's senior brother, Backlásh, and all your listeners and Power Cry FM. Na mi di manuka krebi atu assemblea APA bano.
Yes.
You see, there are some group of people in this country now, no, they are looking beyond their own personal interest. Uma who say pempensua or manye do sisi we need to put politics aside. Na yen save or mine Ghana so that posterity can be able to come and inherit it and make sure they also grow and develop it. Because o mine be a ne yeko Dubai, yeko Saudi Arabia, yeko Qatar, yeko America, yeko UK, yeko Bibiano. Ube who say the sentiments of the politicians does not override the ultimate interest of the Omaino. And to say, and then I say, ye can't assume about who Kennedy Agyapong is, who Asante Bediatuo is. Who said these are individual people who believes in the country Ghana. And to most of the time, who said they put their life on the line in the ultimate interest of Omaino in Kosovo. And to share campaigner the first one Alan Free Party no. The argument was that the party architecture, the establishment, the machinery of the entire party wants just one particular individual to lead, to hell with any other person regardless of a nimdia. What we have contributed to the party before, what sacrifices we have made to the party before. The say there's one particular person who the establishment wants say at all costs he must be the one to lead. And then I buy the 2023 one, people like Alan who felt say yes, I cannot continue to stomach some of these things. And to me, then Honorable Kennedy Agyapong stood in. He still stood with the party and committed his resources, committed in him in the ultimate interest of what? The party. Now, when the chance came again, said they should go in for another election. Instead of this time round, the playing field should be much more a bit open, fair. You don't have to see bigwigs within the party. Former MPs, former DCEs, former everybody was galvanizing towards one direction there. Otchere say still the status quo remaining what? The same, nothing has changed with NPP. And in another platform say NPP looks more like an onion. On a Bontino, Omupeto creating impression, he say, oh, yeah, united, yeah, one party, yeah, one people, one vision, one destiny, now the idea. But Uchema, Oben say, I am fragmented, I want to see basa. Now, what happened? If you listen to people like Abronye, if you listen to some of the attacks that were leveled at Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, to the extent that Abronye could stand up and say, even the Osunu, the elephant itself, has brain more than Kennedy Agyapong. I would have been surprised. Many surprised, I can say, if Kennedy Agyapong want to stick with NPP. Ken don't deserve NPP. I would have lived long ago. Because Bawumia, they are the people who will not allow Bawumia to do what? To build bridges. Because Bawumia, as I say, he is more like a puppet. He's a remote. He's a person who is being controlled by a remote. Because of the party hierarchy. That's why they have an agenda. Omuya constituency executives, national chairman, regional chairman. Do you think that Abronye is not going to win the Bono regional chairmanship of the party going forward? He will win it hands down. Now they are saying, Wontumi want to go for national chairmanship. If Bawumia is fully behind Wontumi, what are the chances that anybody can win Wontumi from becoming the national chairman of the party? So Ben will say the architecture of the NPP remaining the same. So what my senior brother is saying here, no, that would have been the best way. So he should be the one to reconcile. Or no, so on building bridges, on to anamo, uncle her. But the people who surround him, no, they will never allow him to do that because they feel that with or without Obiano, they can still proceed and win the 2028 election. Because Omwama Jumu there, Ghana for I tired with NDC. Ghana for I fully say NDC adadamu. Anything I'm waging all this propaganda war with this cocoa in the issue. Every small thing now, NPP want to lash to it to wage a propaganda because the fool say, let us confuse the citizens. No one say NDC have done a bad job. No one to Abamaye. So, what Mr. Bonsu and Co are saying that they said that to their motto is what? Ghana first. Who will say, I've said it here, that media will show Mumu any pen so Ghana do see to the extent that manufacturing is growing at 3.2%. I disagree with it today and I'll disagree with it tomorrow. It is only Ken Agyapong who presented a vision and something that resonated with me. That I first said such a person who man no opportunity now, and then he is able to bring in people like Alan Chemaka. If he has won that election, perhaps I believe that Allah would have gone back to align with him. Simple form.
Oh, really?
Even if he doesn't collapse, of course, I sincerely stand by that. Say we may not discontinue our party, but we would have gone into an alliance with Kennedy Agyapong because Alan presents a vision and Ken also presents a vision, and these two visions they align. And these two visions align because Omu believe say the country first before the party interest. And you know me and Yami. So all I will also want to plead is that the base, if the call is for us to develop Ghana, now putting Ghana first about political interest there, then we should go into a proper conversation so that this conversation can see, say, can there be a way whereby Alan and Ken can team up to form a formidable front? Because don't forget, say, yes, when you are standing alone to fight, sometimes the chances of you winning are limited. But when you have backing, people who surround you, and you are fighting collectively, your chances are much more higher. Yeah. So at the end of the day, no, it is not about your party, but we must place the interest of Ghana first. What is NPP? Who is NPP? NPP is not the one who gave us independence. NPP is not the one who gave us anything. NPP and now NPP Asema who come from a top to down. All that is zeros in on free education. Free education and free education. And you introducing free education. They may have generalized it. Nkrumah brought free education to the north in an attempt to bridge the gap between the north and the south. And free education is enshrined in our constitution that we must make education free and progressive for almost everybody. And he said, now ban also by mushroom one. Now obianya binon kobia. You have not really done anything. And the master said, this issue of people moving to form the base here, the base for no Mumayan Transi, Nayan building a common alliance. Nayan to me making sure say we put the interests of this country first above personal interest. So all the people who surround Dr. Bawumia, I don't really see any chance say Omumbabe forming a formidable front or a united front.
Okay.
Because they are the same people, nothing is going to change until say there's a way that all these regional executives they can find a way to infiltrate the system and sack all of them. I don't think NPP stand a chance of becoming united. Never today, never tomorrow.
Okay. But listening to you, Richard, you sound happy at this development.
No, it is not about. It is not. Yes.
Are you happy?
Of course, I should be happy. I should be very, very happy about that.
I just needed a yes or no.
Yes, I'm absolutely happy.
Medase. And Richard Suma, or your Deputy General Secretary, United Party, and yet in Kano. Question me bisa Richard. Last way, and me bisa. Are you happy with this development? Honorable Alexander Kwaku.
Why not? Why won't I be happy?
You are.
Because Miti Hai. Enyum mienu bi na eba ametrim.
Enyum be ya.
Ye dey tell say bakuno say ayayedo. Ena nkanyum ba ku so eba ametrim no ye.
Me bo ahaye de ma osisi ya. Ubesi do ma asisi ya.
Enye yisi. Ena nkanyum ba ku so ba ametrim o. Say Kawe no nu obana ko himbe kawe no nu say ya kana wontia wankasa wodi you see NPP me their course no I'm not surprised at all.
You are not.
I'm not the least surprised because these are things I me betra no man can say so one here ebesi. You see, who lose election to the magnitude that omo lose here in 2024 no. It's not an easy to know. A disorganized you. A dream of crap want to me and think straight. So what elections that? Now we lose and ye easy thing. And who lose election, you don't think of say who back immediately. You need to do inner assessment, inner healing. Now who healing all the wounds are ya creating no. And sana what dream will find and we know say, oh, let's go this way. If we go this way, we are sure we'll get the win. Way more lose election. The next thing I'm going to say, Kwabena Agyapong Bawumia Campaign. And I can what I say. Elections no more con. Me I don't need any prophet too. Now me my prophesize that they are toward Bawumia be winning. Others no mbebo muhumodin, but enkosiaga. And that is exactly what happened. Because abona amode call you know, and you know amode call 2023 no. Most Simon, the only thing omo here is say omo fight is former appointees bisu embra on board. And I heard you omo kan, but omo amode kan no is not up to 10%. And all the indications are at that time no, pointed to one particular direction. And no now Sumaya can say. Now that they've been able to bring the man back, Papa, afe adru so ye na ye kwa batu the nest. Do you think we will sit down and fold his hands and watch them to be dislodged like that? You understand? And once they create that this thing, no, a be didn't say obi a woko support to a different candidate no ubenya kwan arem na divisions na ye hu no graph we a small bebre beba especially so omoko constituency omoko regional no omoko national area bebre beba. So I'm not surprised because they have created it themselves. Time I say Owusu no monfa enhili omuhu because you see when you are in government and who lose elections now, there are so many factors. It could be say it's not about a beer program beer or opponents no ewa eye papa chen. But most of the time, no who lose elections are it is based on internal wranglings koso ewo party no more. E bi mo mo dwen say oh ye ba abai me kura po a party no amboa me party no eye niema bi editia me businesses party no eye niema bi editia me omo ye you know those inner this thing wo frɛ we kura po onfa wo hunu na wo frɛ na o ma wo excuses those things no. That is why most political parties omo abai mo no omo lose. Until when you lose like that, no, the first thing you do is to look inward. DNA cause, DNA ma ye lose you know, so that you solve that problem. We'll solve it here and sana why during the next elections. Because with this structure now, omoye then 2028 ombe lusu. So more sebi omo san and trans no ombe hwe ombe san lusu 2032. Because they are not ready, and this crowd of people the omoye nyina ni say oh asem kakra bi apia no mo jump esimu. And when you go in you will say sa problem you crap omo kan ya omo an omo creative problem no. Koko asema ye kan ye NPP for ye no mo create ye And you will share send a party here running. Who say there's no direction. Edima party no, there's no leadership. Our party no more. Obia the ope. Because let me tell you one thing. Brian can't say we constituency no the omo year you know. Any kwan so about I saw almost anyone kasa. What him? Obi echo elections no lusua. Eye din pass nipa no ono ankasa be kase or tini hu ana or ye bibi edi atia party no. Omo omutumi eye edi tia party no ana omutumi ye bibi against the party no are the followers. Enti who ye reconciliation na who friend penifo no na wo ni omuka na omuka chelso ye de ya ja bibi emu a wo who ye ya kaka enu de enu de won ye hwi
FM ho na adwuma no yeah
omo tired chi no so another run and he say wo friend the oil leader no na wa friend omo benu the inner circles no kitchen cabinet for no wo friend omo aka ho na wo ni omo akasa omo so won krofo a omo siji omo di then you will be tackling each one. So it is not an easy thing to do. It's not an easy thing to do. Cry. Eti se wunye wadwin say na one thing they want to say omo ben wo so a wa win no omo ben wo so they also need to fight for their space because as omo ahwe here they will be dislodged. It's a difficult game. It is a wood your leader na sebi Wontumi endrain enko deep. Omo amacha wo ho ehia no, they will block every move obey. They will block it. And yes, be omo mpesa obey winning the next election no, but they are fighting for space. Be on him say be me ma lawyer kwan na obemu a. Lawyer me hwe ne nim die no se na okasa e wo public yi emiso me kasa ma for the ma wo. So lawyer ba na be a lawyer start say o kasama was anhwe yi a na say na lawyer e communicating no na wa beji mejuma free me sem. It is there. So these are things that as a political party you should know.
Okay.
And it is the one who side near me na wo ya unyama basa say no. That is what will happen. You understand? You keep on having the breakaways. We've had our fair share of breakaways. But the
proper one is coming.
Oh no, it will never come. Because if you are here, Drew is here, though. If you are here, Drew is here, yet you want to see. Yet you want to see. Oh, me catch you say. Yet you want to see. You don't know. You understand me? So we understand because we've gone through that history before. And we know the effect in our party. So this time we are guiding against all those things. It's a year day. Say ban say can be na man can be democracy there and can make us say omunses omofie. But so no mo koni there. Ebema 2028 na ye for amaye.
Me that say honorable Alexander Kwaku and yete den kana.
Nti say the base no tia. E kuo bia yatia the base of Kennedy Agyapong.
A base Montia Modiere.
A general Homa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Base to rescue Ghana. It's not the Mark Kennedy or in Japan.
If you say, meet me the President Akufo Addo, former President Kufuor. Omunyina infanto omunyina anya the base o hwe me nua pani Alan na onya the base ninti no okwa na osamba oba na ahwete pansam wodie okoye no ehun se okura adwempa ne nimdie a Ghana ihwe ne ya binya so mfaso nti e ma ne mfa ne nimdie ne na adwempa na nkwa samado nti ese the base of Kennedy Agyapong no yenya ne timopo ene nimdie no eka oman Ghana as so. Ninya so faso and it ya form the base of Kennedy Agyapong.
Is it the base, you know, Ejina Kennedy Agyapong well established?
Yes, sir.
Ntejuma bena be den, mo be den.
Ejuma ebe de ye was die kase da so say third force eneba.
third force.
Yes, sir.
Mentiache.
Ye wo party akese mienu na wo Ghana NPP na wo NDC.
Yes.
We kwa 8 years na we aba. We kwa 8 years na we aba. Ye hu de o ma no ye ko bonkuma se ye ko nifa. Na de bia ye mienu pia no ye na edin se ebeyi. Na se emiensa o wonu se anye ya we beba ho. Nti o be careful. Nti se ba ko be kan na third force Ghana for be hu fa so ne hu o fa Ghana so serious say the o ma no o hwe enura hu ne bi ma me wura hu ye se ye wo asase kase crossing Burkina na Ghana for ekofan tools e wo Burkina na ekokun Ghana for e wo ekwan so na se o hwe akoma dan ne san asase da ho ni nyina chi a na se third force ama na se o man Ghana hu ba bia ye ko
and the third force means multi party.
Ekono de the base of Kennedy Agyapong. Na ye beti party so. Enti ne friend third force no.
To rival NPP and the NDC.
NDC.
Mira, so we NPP ni.
Na me ye NPP ni.
Ah, they say what free?
Opini. Me metra ha sebe o bibi ye, me so bibi ye.
Of course.
Na me metra media grow.
Okay.
NPP sokran enkaminum bi Kennedy Agyapong kwa Japan ti na mkoboa no na ka Bawumia ne yere dia nka media NPP out me ye NPP ni bi
Wojai
NPP sokran enkaminum bi
asem no ehio
opani
because I've known you to be obi a wabo NPP.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.